This is a cabin tour of room 7049. You walk in the door, you've got your tidy me up and you do not disturb, wardrobe, 3 cupboards on the top, 2 are life jackets. One wardrobe is a really long spacious wardrobe for your long dresses, and then we've got another one with 2 drawers at the side, and then another one with another 2 drawers underneath, sorry, not at the side. We've got a safe, that's your laundry bag with pop down there, a storage cupboard up there. There's plenty of storage. We've got 1, 2 cupboards with doors and 2 shelves up there. We've got a mirror here and a on and off light by the dressing table. You've got an English socket, a USB and a USB-C socket. I have brought an extension. Your kettle, your carafe. I've brought an extra little cup to put water in. You've got 2 drawers under your dressing table, although they're not very deep. They're not very deep at all. That's like a packet of paracetamol. You can't get much more in than that. It's only like that deep off my finger, so it's not very deep, but they've been handy. Put your little bits and bobs in, so it's been all right. Chair, comfy chair there. This side you've got more storage, cupboard up there. Mr. Collier's left the door open on it. Your telephone, remote, another shelf with your cups. There is another English socket there. I don't know if you can see that in that light. There's another English socket there. They're the plastic cups you get if you want a coffee to take out. You've got to bring them back. I think they're £5 each if you lose them. I'm not sure, I can't remember. I think it could be. Another cupboard under there. And your tea, coffee, sugar and your milk. Yeah, another shelf there. Long mirror. Your TV. And just because we're inside, I just usually put front of the ship on or the pool deck. You can see outside. The bed is super comfy. It is 2 stuck together. Super comfy, loads of room underneath it. Plenty of space for walking down the sides. I've got a bedside light and a USB-C and a USB, and these light switches are for the main lights and the lights behind the headboard. So they're okay. Yeah, the pillows are lovely and soft. The bed is super soft. I have trouble with my back, and I've had no trouble with my back sleeping in this bed at all. It's been super comfy. It is 2 singles pushed together, but it's fine. And I think on this side as well, it works just the same with your lights, your lamp, your 2 switches for the lights in the room, a USB and a USB-C. It fits just the same, and they've both got 2 drawers underneath, 2 good side drawers underneath. But it's been lovely in here. We've been well happy, apart from the clanking, which we have reported. It's a lovely room. I'll show you the bathroom. It's a curtain and it does stick to you, but I have been using two pegs for your towels. I've been pegging one on here, on the inside of this bit here, and one on the bottom, on the rail on the bottom, and it's kept the shower curtain off me while I've been getting showered, because it did tend to stick to you. So there's a little handy tip. You've got a washing line up there, shower. It's just normal soap. It's not, I haven't used it for shower. I have brought my own stuff. Your toilet, towel rails. We've got a shelf up here. There's a socket, shaving socket up there. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. A drawer and a cupboard there. Your sink. I have brought a magnifying mirror because there's not one in this cabin. Got lights above, plenty of lights and everything. It's got a shelf underneath and a bin. That's it. It's been lovely. It's really, I would recommend. I mean, we did pay extra for it. It is an Inside Plus cabin. I would definitely recommend an Inside Plus cabin. It's right near to the lifts and that. What I would say though, if anyone wants to pay to book it, don't book one that's underneath the pool. And this isn't directly underneath, there's cabins above. And the lady on reception did say, you can hear bits of the clanking now. She did say it's cabins above us, so we shouldn't have any noise, but we have got the noise. Whether there's cabins above or not, but I don't know if it's pipes from the pool. The other guy on reception said it could be pipes from the pool clanking about. Something definitely clanking about in here, but so I would recommend don't pre-book a cabin that you're going to pay for that's anywhere under the swimming pool, just in case. When you're paying for it, I would get one on the other side of the atrium, not this side of the atrium. So there's a little tip there. But yeah, it's been a lovely room. Loads and loads and loads of floor space for us. So apart from the clanging, it's been perfect. One other point is, it is just for 2 people. There are no beds above. It's just for 2 people. So yeah, it's just a nice big room for 2 people. I'm just doing a sneaky peek video of this room. It's next door to ours. This must be just an inside cabin. Ours is an Inside Plus. Everything's the same when you walk in. The bathroom's the same, just a little bit smaller around this area. It doesn't go back as far, but it's exactly the same, just not quite as long. Just snuck in. It's next door to ours. When you come out, it's just there. Hello! Just there is the stairs to the atrium, and the water fountain is just all around here. So you're not far from everything here. But yeah, it's just a little bit smaller than ours, lengthwise, but the rest is just the same. I think widthwise it's the same, just lengthwise it's a bit smaller.